Once upon a time, in a small village, there lived a little boy named Tom. Tom loved to run and dreamed of winning the big race in his village. Every year the race was held, and the fastest children would compete for a shiny golden trophy. Tom practiced every day. He ran in the morning, in the afternoon, and even at night under the stars. But no matter how hard he tried, he always came last in every race. One day, after losing again, Tom sat under a big tree and cried. "I will never win," he said. "Maybe I should stop trying." An old man passing by saw Tom and sat beside him. "Why are you sad, little one?" he asked. "I keep losing the race," Tom said, wiping his tears. "I practice, but I'm not fast enough." The old man smiled and picked up a tiny seed from the ground. "Do you see this seed? If I plant it today, will it grow into a big tree tomorrow?" Tom shook his head. "No, it takes time." "Exactly," the old man said. "Just like this seed, your hard work will grow, but you must be patient and never lose hope." Tom thought about the old man's words. He decided not to give up. He kept practicing, running every day, but this time he believed in himself. A year later, the big race came again. Tom stood at the starting line, his heart beating fast. When the whistle blew, he ran as fast as he could. His legs felt strong, and his heart was full of hope. As he reached the finish line, the crowd cheered. Tom had won. He held the golden trophy in his hands, tears of joy in his eyes. He remembered the old man's words and smiled. "Never lose hope," he whispered to himself. And from that day on, whenever things got hard, Tom always remembered. Hope makes everything possible. I hope this story inspires and motivates. Never give up, because great things take time. Life is like planting a tiny seed. If you keep watering it with effort and patience, one day it will grow into something beautiful. No matter how many times you fall, always get back up, because every step forward brings you closer to your dreams. Hard times will come, but never lose hope, because even the darkest night is followed by a bright sunrise. Believe in yourself, trust your journey, and remember that small progress is still progress. Keep going, keep trying, and one day, just like Tom, you will hold your own golden trophy of success. This story inspires and motivates. Never give up, because great things take time.